Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.